Hello friends, in this video we will study classification of programming language. Classification of programming language, also called as types of programming language. The computer programming languages are broadly classified into three types. The first one, machine level language, also called as low level language. Second, assembly level language, also called as middle level language. And the third one is high level language. So as you know, programming language is used to create instructions which can be understood by computer. But the thing is that computer can understand only binary numbers, that is zeros and ones. So if you write the instructions which are not in binary numbers, that instruction has to be converted using compiler into the binary numbers. Machine level language is written using binary numbers, that is in zeros and ones. So computer can understand machine level language directly. But middle level language and high level language is not written in binary numbers. So if you are writing instructions using these two languages, you have to convert these instructions into binary numbers by using compiler. So now we will see these three types one by one. So the first one is machine level language. It's the lowest level language and named as first generation of programming language. Machine level language contains only two conditions, that is either true or false. True is represented as 1 and false is represented as 0. This type of language is known as binary language. A computer system could understand only binary language. All the instruction given to the computer system must be in the form of 0 or 1. Machine language are very tough to understand by the humans. So now we will see advantages of machine level language. There have many advantages of machine level language. Some of them are listed below. First one, machine level languages are directly communicate with the computer system. So whatever instructions are written using this language, that can be easily understood by the computer. Second, there is no software requirement for conversion of instruction like compiler or interpreters, because instructions written in machine level language are in the binary numbers and computer understand binary instructions directly. Third one is it takes very less time to execute a program, because whatever instructions are given to the computer that will be executed directly. Execution means basically performing a task based on a given instructions. So now we will see disadvantages of machine language. Some of the disadvantages of machine level languages are listed below. First one, it's machine dependent language. Machine dependent means if you write the instructions in one computer, that same instructions if you write in another computer, it may not work properly. Second one, it's too hard to understand and write the instructions because instructions are written using ones and zeros, which is difficult to understand. Third one, it's time consuming to develop new programs because it is difficult to understand. It also takes time to create the instructions. Fourth, debugging process is very hard. Debugging means finding the errors in the written instruction. So suppose if you write something wrong in the instructions, to find that mistake, it is very difficult because all the instructions will be in the form of zeros and ones. Fifth one, machine language is not portable language. That means if you write the instruction in one computer and if you want to copy that instructions and want to use in another computer, it is not possible. Second type, that is assembly level language. It's middle level language and named as second generation programming language. It contains the same instruction as machine level language, but instead of using just binary numbers, the instructions and variables are used that have specific name or commands, also called as mnemonics. It also uses symbols to describe the instructions. To understand the assembly language, computer must require an assembler which is placed in between assembly language and computer system to convert the assembly instructions into the machine language. This assembler is software or a set of program which translate assemble language programming instruction into the machine language. For example, start, load, add, store, end. Next, we will study advantages of assembly language. There have many advantages of assembly level language. Some of them are listed below. The first one, it is easy to understand by human because it uses statements instead of binary numbers. To develop a program, it takes less time because we are using statements instead of binary numbers. So that's why we need less time. Debugging is easy because we are using statements instead of binary numbers. It's a portable language. That means we can copy instructions written on one computer and can use in another computer. Now we will see disadvantages of assembly language. Some of the disadvantages of assembly level language are listed below. First one, it's a machine dependent language. So the same instruction written on one computer may not work on another computer. Second one, sometimes it's hard to understand the statement or command used because complex instructions are difficult to understand. Now we will see the third type, that is high level language. High level language is the upper level language and also known as third generation programming language. It is called as high level because the language which comes under this category are closer to human languages. Hence, this is highly understood programming language by human. There have many examples of high-level languages such as Fortran, Pascal, C, C++, Java, Ada, COBOL, Prolog, etc. The program written in high-level language must require software or a set of program to translate that program into machine understandable. This software is called as compiler or interpreter. The main job of compiler and translator is to take the source code of the program and convert that code into the machine understood code. Now we will see advantages of high level language. There have many advantages of high level language. Some of them are listed below. The first one, in this instruction and commands are much easier to remember by programmer because instructions written are closer to human languages. Second one, its logic and structure are much easier to understand because instructions written are closer to human languages. Third one, debugging. Debugging is easier compared to other languages because we are writing instructions in human language. Finding error is bit easier. Fourth one, less time required to writing new programs because we can write instruction easily. Fifth one, high level language are described as being portable language. That means we can copy instructions written on one computer and can use in another computer. Next, we will see disadvantages of high level language. Some of the disadvantages of high level language are listed below. First one, high level language programming takes more space compared to other machine level language and assembly level language. so it takes more memory compared to other languages. Second one, this programming language execute slowly because we require compiler or interpreter. It executes bit slower.